On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
Man, I think we gotta like bring out the cowboy hat today. I don't know. How y'all doing? What's going on? Gang. Good morning to every single one of you guys. You guys and gals. How we all doing? Mad love. It's going to be a fun one. We got a little bit of accumulation, Bitcoin pushing up, unemployment data coming out in 15 minutes. Oh, man. You guys better have your coffee ready. Oof. You better have that coffee ready. My God. I feel like I'm being loud already. Am I clipping? Maybe I turn this down a bit. I feel like I'm clipping. Holy. Do you have like a preferred mug? This is my preferred mug. I tried to get the pencil neck crypto face mug, but they don't ship to where I am from. There's a secret. The Serenity Prayer is on the back, just so you know. You know, sometimes you just got to have faith that the trade's going to work out. Oh, man. Put a 1 in the chat if you got your special mug. I'm sure you guys all have a special mug, the one that's just right. The amount of quality and quantity always just appears in that mug. You guys know the mug. That travel mug, that one that's been through the dishwasher 5,000 times, has got those skid marks, but you still using it. I know you guys are. Oh man, so many amazing people in here. Good morning to you, Crypto Billy. Billy's in the chat. Billy Goat Tails. Go check it out on X. I mean, Billy was like, I feel like Billy was really the first person that said they believe in me, and this is the part. He said, and he helped me. He took action to help me, and you know I love you, Billy. I will always show up for you, my man. Thank you so much, Billy. The actions speak louder than words, as always. We know this because we learned this in Billy Goat Tales. If you haven't heard about Billy Goat Tales, go and check it out. They are family. And I love them, and I love you, Billy. And I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I hope everybody is okay down in, is it Carolina there? I mean, it's just so tragic what's going on down there that, you know, people are no power and all that stuff. Ugh. It's sad. But we're going to say good morning to everybody. We got to be quick. We got to be quick because we have the unemployment rate. Sorry, unemployment rate coming in. Okay, so Bitcoin pushing up. Okay, we're gonna say good morning, but Bitcoin's pushing up as we speak. Okay, this is nice accumulation. We spotted this as like a nice accumulation. You got your spring, you got your Wyckoff accumulation here. You got your higher high, higher high, higher low. You've made a new high here, which is amazing. Okay, so this looks bullish. Oh my god. And then we're gonna get jobs data and it's just gonna die. No, I'm joking. But what do we see here? What did we draw the other day? Okay, so we drew Pride Rock yesterday. I guess we can draw it again. Because we got new people in here. If you are new, we seem to always start the morning off with a little Rafiki lately. We had Rafiki, okay, and Simba fell. Now, I don't know if this is gonna happen, my friends, but it's very similar. This looks very similar. Fool me once, Bitcoin. Fool me once. I'm just saying, okay? I'm just saying. So we're prepared. I have some bounce levels down below us. We have this beautiful trend line coming up here. Can we sweep the highs? Maybe bearish divergence on the jobs data and then get rejected. Ooh, that would be sexy for a short. Oh, we'll have to wait and find out. We want people to be not losing their jobs now, okay? We don't want people losing their jobs. We want everybody to be happy, keep their jobs, okay? So we got our, let's pull it over. I can make the sound effects. I don't need a sound bar thing. Unemployment rate. We want this to come in at 4.3 or lower. Okay, we want 4.3 or lower. That is what we want if we want up. Okay, anything else? Down. Get down. Stop whining. Okay. And non-farm payrolls, we want to see this go. Is it up? I think it's up. People who are, we want to see this go oop, oop, oop. Okay. See, landing the plane, right? You want to see this start to curve upwards like this. Okay. So want to see the plane land nicely. We want to see people have their nice jobs, all those good things. So we're going to be watching this. We got 7 minutes to say hello to you guys. Okay. We got 7 minutes to say hello to you guys. We are currently not in any trades. Okay. We are not in any trades. We did have a trade set up from the long. If you got long with us yesterday, we got long from this wick down here. I don't know how the hell you held through all this. You would have been the most patient person I've ever met. Okay. Kyle also gave you guys a breakout trade here yesterday. So congratulations on all your gains yesterday. Good morning to everybody here. What's going on? We got Michael here sitting in the first row beside Billy. Let's go. MB Alexander G, have a safe drive. Mad love to you. Crypto Mike, what's going on? Auto Crypto. Rayan. My people, what's going on? Good to see you. Buck, what's going on? Lamo Crypto. Wody. Hello, Paul. What's going on, Paul? Good to see you, man. Maddox, good morning to you. Chris Klein, so damn fine. Boom shaka shaka to me one more time. Let's get after it relentlessly. That's my man there. Let's just get the price action here because we are pushing up as we say hello to you guys because you guys are lovely people, but we always got to watch the price, right? It's very important. We are price watchers and price take advantages of ers. Price take advantages of hers? How would you say that? Advantage takers of price. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna continue to say hi. Paul. I like Paul. I should be Alex, shouldn't I? Alex Crypto. Good morning, little fish. Good to see you. Brian Sanchez. Good morning, gang. Good morning to you. ED Camp. What's going on? Peace to you, my friend. Oh, man. Jeffrey Stone's Cipher. Good morning, everyone. Good morning to you, Jeffrey. Hope you're having a wonderful day, Jeff. Massey, good morning, good morning. Anthony Soprano. Tony, what's going on, man? Hey, other gang. Crypto Billy in here. Jeet Corp, what's going on? Thought it was Friday. It is Friday, man. It is Friday. Thought it was Friday. Come on. Everybody, you better be saying hello in the chat so we can recognize you. Mad love to you guys. Best dad mug from the daughter. See, there you go. We got dad mugs in there. I got an Otter dad mug. I'm just putting it out there. I do have an Otter dad mug, okay? Ahoy, Captain, says Michael. What's going on? Luke Saldana. Gang, it's Friday. Let's go. Crypto Mike. Darren does things. Our secret fundamental analysis. Darren does things, man. Billy is the GOAT. That is for facts. Yes, absolutely. Aaron, good morning to you. Crypto Billy. A.L. Al Jr. I'm late. It's okay to be late on a Friday. If you show up on a Friday in construction, we're happy. Like, that's why a lot of the time payday is until Friday in construction because, you know, they used to pay us on Thursdays, I remember, and, you know, you'd have half a crew. Oh, man. You'd have half a crew. They're all out on the lash, as they call it, on the lash. If you're British, you know what on the lash is. It means you're just going to get pissed, okay? I'll get drunk. Chadwick's Racing, what's going on? I see you changing your name in the Discord, bro. Rowley, what's going on? Laugh my ass off. Oh boy, it might 4 hour is a little extended. Yeah, we're gonna go through that as well. We got 3 minutes. Keep going. Food for Bitcoin. What's going on? Good morning, Jay Armo. Good morning, Crypto Josh. Good morning, OG Blockchain. You gotta go to sleep when that happens. Absolutely. Good afternoon. Pamp says S9. Hugo Crypto. Good morning to you. WF Motivation. Hello, guys. Good morning, man. Good morning. Frank Fit for Life Crypto. Good morning, gang. Mad love to you, Jeffrey, Michael, Curtis, Neil in here. What's going on, man? WF Motivation. Fotis, what's going on? Don't forget Fotis from UK. Hello, mate. You're all right? What's going on? I can do that because my wife's British, okay? Like, complete pommy, okay? JP, good morning to you. Dropped in a little late. That's all right, man. Some of us need a little sleeping in the morning. When October, it's typically at the end of October we get the upness, okay? So hopefully the upness comes at the end of October. Crypto Billy, Curtis, Neil. Helga, good morning to you. Hope you're doing well. Dean, good morning to you. Patrick, good morning to you. Buy or sell, 2-minute news. Buy or sell. Well, right now we're overextended. So what I would be looking for getting into this, we have this uptrend coming in here. We have VWAP down below here. So if we squirm down, we could be looking for that. If we swing the highs, we could be looking for the back test, retest. Okay, so we have some options right now. I'm not in any trades, but I am looking to get into one. Okay, so as you guys know, we're here to take advantage of price action. What I have noticed though on Market Cipher is there is some hopium here on the daily with a trigger wave. There is some hopium on the 12-hour with a confirmed green dot coming in through here. We also have the 4-hour, a little bit overextended. I think someone mentioned that. Okay, something to be aware of, but it's trying to cross the 0 line. We have switched green on stochastics. Okay, our 2-hour looking to cool off. Our 1-hour still has room to the upside. We are starting to print a green dot. Money is crossing over VWAP to the upside. This looks okay to me, but a little bit overextended as well. So we have a mixed bag of signals. So right now we be patient. We have some bounce levels. We see how price reacts and hopefully take advantage of this unemployment data. We are currently getting a push up. We have 1 minute until the data pops off and pops the cherry. We'll have to wait. I have the Dixie pulled up over here. I have price is pushing up quite aggressively right now. We'll have to see if we do continue to push. Just checking over on my Dixie. The Dixie seems to be rolling over a little bit. Let's refresh this. We're loading. We're loading, baby. We're loading, baby. We're overextended right now. We're not taking this trade blindly. Come on, jobs. Unemployment rate. You guys all loving your jobs. I see you guys in the chat. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Push up. Push up. Push up. Oh, man, what a big paparelli. We got a push up on Bitcoin. Holy smokes, Batman. We came in at 4.1. That is bullish. That is bullish. That is bullish. That is bullish. We'll see how it reacts. We'll see how it reacts. That is bullish. That is bullish. We got 250 jobs possibly added here. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. 61. Oh, now we're correcting. Now we are correcting. Can we come back down? That is bullish. Push Bitcoin. Push, baby. Push, baby. Push, Bitcoin. You can do it. You can do it. Keep pushing. I'm not in a trade. This looks good. This looks good. Can we continue to push up? That is the question. The Dixie. The Dixie. What is the Dixie doing? Let's take a look. Oh, the Dixie's flying. We got contrarian narratives here. FOMO long? No. Don't FOMO long. Please do not FOMO long. We have swept the highs here. We have swept the highs. We do not want to fight this. We got very, very lucrative jobs data. Okay? Call me data, baby. Call me data. Let's go. Holy shite, says Patrick. Holy shite. Okay, holy shite. Let's go. Let's go. Let's be patient here. Let's look for possible retest. Okay, nothing to jump into as of yet. Look at the Dixie, Alex. I know it's ripping. The dollar is broken trend here, flying to the upside. Concerning, a little bit concerning. The Russell's pushing up. Risk on is pushing up. This is a great, great signal here, guys. Woo-wee. Are you guys excited? Is October for real? Oh, man. I love this shit, man. This is the best job in the world. I feel like I'm like a stock auctioneer, you know. Okay, we got $500, $600. Okay, we can come back and back down. Wrecking all the bulls. Everybody getting long late. Everybody getting long late. Come back down to VWAP. Come back down VWAP. Come back down. Everybody press buy. Front running this thing. They're gonna get wrecked. Okay, I'll stop. I'm sorry. Holy balls, says Alexandra G. Let's go. Oh, man. This is what we get up for, man. I love you guys. Hopefully you're all happy. My God. There's nothing in the coffee this morning. We don't drink and do drugs or any of that stuff. So you guys are getting authentic high on lifeness, okay? We got the cup and handle here. We got the cup and handle bearish divergence. We said swing of the highs, okay? We got the swing of the highs. All right, we want to see the confirmation of a downtrend coming back down into... I really got to stop. Okay, so sweep of the highs. Amazing news, okay? Amazing news, which is we've dropped in unemployment rate, so more people are employed. Non-farm payrolls has absolutely crushed it. This is like double. This is crazy numbers. The U.S. added 250,000 jobs. They're adding jobs. They're going to cut like mofos. We should have checked this beforehand. Look at it roll over on everybody's head. Everybody getting long, getting wrecked, okay? We're not participating in that. We're not. Okay, 25 basis points. Sorry about the flashbang. Ooh, everybody getting wrecked. Please tell me you did not get long on that. Okay, the FOMO is real in situations like this. We didn't. Oh, bouncing off of VWAP. Possible opportunity here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Come on, push Bitcoin. A little bit lower, a little bit slower. Come on. A little bit overextended here. Okay. Bouncing off VWAP. Just waiting. Just waiting. Still waiting. Okay, look, we got bearish divergence now here because of that sweep. Remember we said the sweep, the retest, the continuation. Can we see it? Bounce off VWAP here, pushing back up pretty aggressively. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Volatility, baby. This is what we came for. This is what we came for. Now, looking at this, we're not trading yet. This is Darth Maul. Okay, we need a Darth Maul emoji, man. This guy, he's holding his lightsaber right now. We do not want to mess around with a big, crazy red lightsaber, okay? You don't want to get slashed up, man. This is not where you trade, okay? We wait. I'm still long. Amazing, Matt Eagle. Is that the? Oh, that's the long we gave in events yesterday. That's the crazy long we took yesterday. That was fun. Trudeau adds jobs for his friends. Yeah, exactly. Our prime minister takes all our tax money and pours it into into his friends' companies. Like what a scam artist, man. Huckster, fraudster. My goodness, says Food for Bitcoin. I need another coffee. Please show where you watch the news. Yeah, so we got the news. You can watch on Forex Factory or Trading Economics. Okay, here you go. Here's one, and I'll give you the Forex Factory as well. Here's two. The Forex Factory is a bit more. You get a bit more information, but the economic calendar works just fine in my opinion. Just for what you want. You don't want to, if you want to get a little bit more into the minutia of things, you go over to the Forex Factory. But both very good sites. I hope there they are in the link below. And then 5:30 on the West Coast. Had to wake up before NFP to take profits. Let's go. Let's go. I love that you guys are taking profits, paying yourselves. It looks like we have a little bit of flatness here, but nonetheless, this is looking strong. Okay, looking strong. Much love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the stream. Do you drink drugs? I hope not. You smoke them. No smoking drugs either. Not an auctioneer. Sibel, good morning to you. Oh, man. Good morning. Okay, so what do we do with price action now? Well, the dust is settling. Okay, so we have VWAP below us here. We have a swing failure of the highs here creating bearish divergence. Now, we know this bearish divergence was created by news. So for me, it's about being patient here. Can we come up and actually swing and drop down? This has been a rejection zone that we've been eyeing up ever since back down in here. So we're looking for this area to act as resistance, and we'll see if we get that. However, what do we say when we open up the stream? We have this big, huge liquidity pushing price all the way up here. We have price pushing all the way up without really revisiting any of these areas down in here. So maybe we swing down and we come back down into here, or we reclaim this and push to about 62,800. We do have massive support down at 60,800, so we'll see how the price reacts over here. Now, patience will prevail. Okay, patience will prevail. Smoking the hopium, says Clay the Grave. Mad love to you, bro. Mad love to you. Dave Digital in the chat. What's going on, man? Damn, bro. 180 people live. Let's go. Let's smash those like buttons. Subscribe if you are new here. Love to have you. I mean, we're always trading this thing live, looking to take advantage of price action. So it does look as though we are pushing on this news. Now, I do not want to get long just yet. Okay, I would like to see. VWAP would have been a good idea here. But we'll wait. We'll wait. I don't want to just jump in blindly. We want to have a plan, right? Execute the plan. VWAP would have been okay, but a little bit too sporadic. We did talk about VWAP before we started, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, we still got at least the rest of the day to trade this, right? So for me right now, we see the Dixie is pumped, okay? The Russell is breaking to the upside, not necessarily out of the woods just yet. Okay, NASDAQ here. NASDAQ hasn't really gotten too overly excited either, okay? Still creating lower highs. Okay, so a little push could be nice. Wow, I guess it listened to me just there. Okay, NASDAQ looking like it wants to rip. Okay, pushing up a higher high on the NASDAQ now, getting rejected. So some crazy volatility coming in on the NASDAQ. Patience here. As you can see, the ES is pushing up as well. Okay, so some bullish signs throughout the industry. Need to be patient though. We've had a push up overnight. Bitcoin is a little bit overextended in my opinion with our Darth Maul candle here. Wrecking the bulls, wrecking the bears, coming back for everybody. We're not pressing buy here. Why is that? And that's because we are literally, we're just sitting on a support and resistance here. This is the hot dog. Okay, we got the buns up here. We got the buns down here. We do not want to trade in the middle of this range because they are going to make a decision either way, and they're going to wreck both sides. Okay, so I would expect to come back down within this area. We do have some liquidity zones down within here. This would be a key area, 60,800. However, we do have this big trend line coming in here, which I would like to see held as support. If we fail to hold this as support, we can look for the back test of this, and we can look to take this short all the way down, probably into our golden pocket down here around 60,500. Okay, so a little bit of patience. I used to love trading the news, and after getting wrecked a couple times, I reframed. Okay, I have reframed. Oh snap! I had the icon, but no emojis. What? What's going on? Good to see you. Curtis Neal's in the chat, man. Mad love to you, man. Thank you for always showing up. Luke Zaldana as well. K Diggity, mad love to you. That's how my chart looks, bro. Holding hot dog bun. Am I saying a lot still, Michael? Speaking about we are giving away 200 USDT to our premium members. If you aren't a premium member, you can come over and hang out with us. $1 a day keeps the doctor away. $20 a month. We do have signals and great 3 traders here helping you guys be profitable. We had a beautiful signal from Kyle yesterday. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Entering that long. You would have had the long trade set up here in advance, taking that all the way up here. You had one from me the other day. Okay. Crushing it. I mean, mad gains all the way around. Kyle took it too. Yeah, a lot of great traders. We got Brewberry in here as well. He's drawn the buns too, man. He's talking about Model 1 accumulation. Looking good. I mean, amazing group of people. Okay? Built on kindness. And everybody just trying to help each other. Okay? So it's amazing. We're going to give away 200 USDT at 12:15 today. So if you want to come by on the live stream, we do lives 3 times a week. Okay? So we'll be doing that. And then we have a Halo tournament coming up this weekend on Sunday, where we're giving a lifetime Chart Prime Pro membership and 3 premium Discords, a 6-month, a 3-month, and a 1-month premium Discord Halo tournament. If you want to come and play some Halo with us, that would be lots of fun too, to have you at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday. Okay, lots of things going on. At the end of the day, we'd love to have you just hang out with us and trade. We trade here live Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. We have had amazing calls. We are 3 for 3 this week. Okay, we took the long from down here yesterday. That was fun. That was a great stream yesterday. We had lots of fun. We didn't take. Did we take? I think we didn't take a trade on Monday because it was choppy. But we typically have been crushing it. I don't think we've had 1 loss in the last 30 days. So it's been absolutely fire just working with you guys and hanging out, just taking advantage of price action. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 150 people here. If you wouldn't mind, I would appreciate if you just smash that like button. It really helps. We are a new channel. We're trying to get to 4,000 subs, and we're slowly getting there. The viewership has been nice, and it's nice to have you guys hanging out with me. I appreciate you. We'll continue to show up for you guys. That's what we normally do. And I mean, we've been crushing it. I'll be here anyways, trying to crush it with the community. So looking at this, cooling off a little bit here. This is why we're not trading in here, okay? So a little bit of patience is going to prevail in this. Coming down to VWAP, we'll see if we do get a little bounce here. We've created some liquidity, okay? There is some hopium in the markets. However, Dixie is on a tear to the upside, suggesting weakness in risk on assets. But we look at the Russell. The Russell is pushed up in a little bit of a flag here. So hopefully the Russell can get into expansion where we can look for risk on to continue to be quite lucrative. We're watching the stock market very cautiously right now to see what's going to go on. The port strike is over. They came to an agreement with the people on the ports to make sure that, you know, everyone is happy-go-lucky and they're getting paid on the ports. So that's good news. So you don't have to go and buy 1,000 rolls of toilet paper and stack up on canned goods, all you friends in the U.S. So that's a good thing. Jobs came in. People are getting jobs. Unemployment rate is down. Good signs. Good signs. Good signs. Okay, let's see here. Top-down analysis. So what we were looking at really, oh man, it makes you want to long. Doesn't it make you want to long? Who's feeling the FOMO? You guys feeling the FOMO? I'm not in any trades. I am feeling the FOMO though. I'm not going to lie. I feel like I should have gotten long here, but I'm not. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced, my friends. I'm not convinced. Okay? So the idea is this. I would like to take this all the way up to this resistance here, if possible. Okay? However, this looks more appealing to me. Something like this. I'm feeling the FOMO, my friends. See, this is why you don't... when you're feeling the FOMO, just put the mouse down. Put the mouse down. Okay? Stop clicking. Put your phone down, whatever you're trading on. Put it down. All right? Just listen. Just listen, okay? You guys are all feeling it. I feel your trigger fingers. You guys are all... you're all itchy, man. Put the safety on. There should be like a safety button that you know... puts you in a 10-minute timeout. 10-minute timeout, guys. Take a deep breath. Let's wait till 9 o'clock, okay? Paper bag. Breathe into the paper bag. You're feeling the FOMO here. This is not where you trade, okay? This is not where you trade. You're rolling the dice, okay? You're rolling the dice. Let's go top down, baby. Let's go top down. So the interesting one today. The interesting one is going to be this one here. Okay, so you got your 2-day here. So your long-term time frames, let's get rid of all these levels and kind of clean up our charts and take a look here. Okay, we got that accumulation down here. Remember how small this is, this little area that we are looking to trade right now. I am watching price action. We are like teasing to go higher, but we're not. Okay, so we do have this loss of this beautiful uptrend here. We have mitigated this high here. We're looking to continue upwards. The 2-day is going to be printing in 11 hours. So you'll get your 2-day today. This is looking a little bit of hopium, a little bit of a pushback after dropping down. So that's the idea where I'm looking for this to hopefully mitigate this red dot here on our 3-day, okay? Looking at our daily, there is the hopium of the daily. VWAP crossover push up, okay, with a trigger wave. This can push up higher if we are to continue today. Okay, if we get a very positive daily candle, this could be quite beautiful, especially because the stochastics here is holding the middle line, okay? When you hold this line, you're typically in a nice uptrend, okay? So holding the line, looking quite good, looking quite bullish on the daily, okay? Bullish on the daily. You guys are all pressing buy right now. I can tell, I can see you guys pressing buy right now. Stop it. Stop it. So a little trick I got. You see the 12-day here pushing to the upside. We had a green dot on the 16 and no green dot on the 12-hour. Since we have pushed, we do have a green dot on the 12-hour. VWAP crossover, money coming in. Looking all right. Looking all right. Okay, we do have that accumulation model 1 down below here. So we're looking for this to continue to push up. If you don't know what a model 1 accumulation is, I can pull it up for you guys if you want. It's not It's not anything special, but it's Wyckoff. Wyckoff, okay? Wyckoff is cool. But you gotta learn these things. It's just bottoming structure, right? And you can Google it. There's many Wyckoff. I believe Binance has a really good Wyckoff free video as well of just accumulation, distribution. It's just important to understand them. Okay, it's just I think it's this one here. I think it's this one here. We can overlay it once we get into there. Okay, so 12-hour looking juicy. Okay, trying to print this green dot. We still have, half the day for this. So going into what I'm really looking for, and that is continuation here on our money flow. We want to see this come back in. The 8-hour money flow has come out aggressively. So we're looking for the bounce here. We can see we do have good posturing here on our stochastics. So this can push back into this area here to reclaim the 50% zone. Now for today, 4-hour, flipping green. Okay, flipping green. Looking good. However, remember, Pride Rock, Rafiki's up here. We have just accumulated, right? So this is areas of interest where we can look for a potential retrace and a continuation up. Okay, that's typically what I'm going to be looking for. However, Bitcoin looking kind of, I don't care what you want, Alex. I just want to go up. And you guys are all feeling the itchy FOMO. You don't think there will be a sweep of the lows? I will stay on here until there is a sweep of the lows. I'm going to stay on here until the lows get swept. Okay? I'm going to stay on here because I think you guys think it's just going to go up only right now. I think you guys are thinking the up only is coming. I don't think so. However, beautiful bullish news on jobs, okay? I'm not going to downplay that, but I don't think so. The beautiful 1 hour. Let's look at this too. So we can paste this here. See, I'm always working for you guys. Always trying to work. Always trying to help you guys understand accumulation model 1, right? So you got here is here, right? You got here is here. Can you see it? A cha 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 cha. Da. Spring. Bam 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 bam. SOS. Please someone help me. Okay? Can you see it? You guys can see it, right? You guys can see it. Okay, so there you go. We spotted this yesterday, so we were prepared. There you go. Lesson taught. Okay? Lesson taught. Now, how's your it's saying my stream is not smooth. Is my stream smooth? I think my stream is smooth. Put a 1 in the chat if everything's okay on your side. Please, just let me know. Alex, why didn't you buy in the middle of the bun? Alex, why didn't you buy? Let me know that the stream's okay. I love open mouth thumbnails considering making an archive. Let's go. Oh, man. GGG, HHH, Super Bowl mode. Let's go. In my hero. What was up with the non-farm? It's rigged. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty rigged. 1, we're all good here. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. That's what it's saying to me right now. What a liar face. Look at this thing. This is the note I'm getting because we're too much alpha here. Justin Trudeau, we love you. Error. Sweep of the highs. This is a legit sweep of the highs now. Okay? This is a legit sweep of the highs. Okay, we got the Russell trying to push. We got ES pushing. NASDAQ pushing. The bull market's back on, baby. Everybody, smoke your hopium. Long the top. I ain't in no trade. I'm in no trade, everybody. I'm here to hang out with you guys and tell you not to FOMO in. Okay? Maybe the FOMO would have worked today. I'm not saying it wouldn't have. You're not trading a plan if you're just pressing buy right now. That's all I got to say. That's all I got to say. If you're here for the FOMO, you're not going to get it. I'm too proud of myself for being patient and following a plan and trading a strategy religiously for like a year. Okay? And that's been the difference between being profitable and not. Okay? It's very clear to me what gets you wrecked and what makes you money. If you're here to make money, you trade a setup, you set a trap, you make a plan, you execute the plan, you manage risk. And by doing that, you make money consistently. Okay? Consistently. That's the thing. You haven't seen, I doubled my account last month, okay? Doubled the account last month. Okay? 115% last month. Okay? We had an amazing month. Now, we continue to work at it, right? I mean, and that's by managing risk and just taking the right trades. So now we be patient. Holy balls, Miss DXY says, okay, let's look at the Dixie here. Holy balls. that is definitely a holy balls chart there, Alexander G. So typically this is inverse correlated with risk on assets. So when this goes up, Bitcoin goes down. However, I mean, people holding dollars. So right now we wait and we see. Let's see if this can return back down. Grab some liquidity down below us. We see VWAPs creeping up as well. I would be considering looking for a retest continuation here. And just really have to be picky, in my opinion. So did I long? No, I did not long. The long would have been off of VWAP, okay? The VWAP trend line, when we came back down, that would have been the long. I missed it, okay? That would have been the long. That would have been like, okay, we FOMO here. That would have somewhat. We can manage risks there too, right? Like we don't have to be very expensive there. We can be super cheap. So we wait. Break down, retest, okay? Lots of liquidity still to come back to. So we're coming up to a key level of resistance around 62,000. Okay, and we do have this area, which was a rejection zone. We'll get rid of that now. Okay, but we do have a support line back in here. So we can be looking for the short in here or the long for the retest of this trend line here. It does look like we are pushing. Nice little move for Bitcoin on a Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Looking for those trade setups. Mad love to every single one of you guys. If you are new here, please subscribe. Come and hang out. We have a free section of the Discord. We have a signals group and educational section of the Discord too that we are doing a live stream today. Can you explain why it would be possible that it's going to sweep the lows? That's just our pad. So why it can sweep the lows is just basic liquidity and understanding that whenever something moves up, what goes up must come down, right? So in this situation, what happened, right? So we had a sweep of this liquidity yesterday. That's why we got long in here. That's why we were looking for this low yesterday. If you watched the live stream, we took this low here. We took that trade because we were expecting the sweep of these lows in order to push up, okay? Now, why can we sweep this? Is because the same exact reason. We have pushed up here, right? And yes, we have grabbed some liquidity along the way, but we have not yet revisited any of this down in here. Okay, it's still possible for us to do so, just like it was very possible on our higher term time frames for us to come back and sweep the lows in here, right? To come back and sweep the lows in here, right? In this key area, this order block. Okay, that's why we have all these levels in here that we are well aware of in the Discord that we are looking to trade. Okay, so what goes up must come down. you get accumulation on a grander scale. So accumulation, looking for this to push out. Okay, it's just like we had right here. So if we're looking at here, we have 1, 2, 3, right? Accumulation, trying to push out. Same kind of deal. Okay, same kind of deal. Just on a smaller scale, right? Every time frame is fractal, right? So whether you're on a 5-second chart and it's doing the same kind of accumulation, right? Or you're on a daily chart, it's very similar. Okay. Alex, why didn't we get long here? Because of that right there. Because of that right there. Right there. Because of that right there. You see that? Everybody getting bullish. Bullish. Okay, looking for a retest 61,600. 61,600. Looking for that. Okay. Like button desires to be touched. Oh yeah, it does, definitely. It's definitely a big desire. Absolutely. What is your desire? Close along a little early. Are you doing a breakout prop? Yep. No. No, I do not have the time for the breakout prop. Not yet. Face wants me to do it. I will do it. Breakout prop. I mean, I trade a high enough account that I make good money, so it's not that I need a prop, breakout prop, but I would love to kind of test my skills. That's kind of why I would do it. So I'm definitely going to look into that. Obviously, I have a newborn right now. So a newborn comes with a whole bunch of territory. Comes with a whole bunch of territory. So right now my energy is limited to you guys, to the premium Discord, and my family. Okay? The family comes first. That's why we become traders, no? Free up time and spend time with family, right? I get to spend my lunch break with my son, which is amazing. Right? I feel too blessed. Too blessed. That's why we worked really hard at getting good at trading. That's why we did it. I'm a carpenter by trade. I was swinging a hammer for the last 13, 14 years. I'm a journeyman carpenter throwing up massive concrete buildings, like 60-story buildings, framing houses, you name it. I was doing it. Exhausted every day, right? Now I have the pleasure of sitting in a chair and hanging out with you guys and yelling at you guys on a screen. But at the end of the day, I'm pressing buy and sell and I'm making good money. Okay? That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. We get to be here. We get to develop a skill set, a craft, a set of rules, protect our risk, manage our position size, because position size matters, and and learn how to make money by clicking buy and sell. That's all I do is I press buy and sell and I manage my risk. However, I do have a nice strategy that does pay me quite lucratively. So it's up for you guys to work at it, to back test, to develop the tools, to understand price action, right? We have a lot of free tools. Our group will answer all your questions. Come into the Discord. If there's a free section, ask away at me. Go ahead. You said you have a Signal group. How much is the Discord? It's $20. $20 a month. It's $1 a day. $1 a day keeps the doctor away. We'll be doing a $200 USDT giveaway for all the ums I say. Looking for a retest down here at 600. Looks good to me. 600 looks good to me. I'm going to front run that a little bit. I'll go to 630. We'll see if we do get the retest here, 630. Come on, Bitcoin. That's why we don't long this. Come on, Bitcoin. Come down. Come down to Papa. Everybody getting too bullish. Too bullish. No, you're not going to come down? Come down a bit more. Come down a bit more. Retest the highs. Retest those highs. We're looking for this. That's what we're looking for. Retesting the highs. We'll see if we get it. It can be cheap here too. Yes, there is a discount if you get a year. There's 30% discount, I believe. There's a 7, 15, and 30% discount. 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. Come on, Bitcoin. A little bit more. A little bit more, baby. Let's go. Come on. Come down to Papa. Come down to Papa. Pardon me. Come down to Papa. Come on, baby. Hit it. Hit it and quit it. Hit it and quit it. $690, really? No. You got more. You got more in you. Come on. You're Moorish. You're Moorish. Come on, hit it and quit it. Hit it and quit it. Hit it and quit it. Bitcoin. All right. Hit it and quit it. Go. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it, baby. Push it, baby. Push it, baby. Let's see. Let's see. Geo, what's going on, bro? L. Jones, what's going on? Geo, do you like your job? What would you rate your job out of 10? 10 out of 10, bro. What's going on, Seth? Martina, good morning to you. Good morning to you, Paul. Tyson, do you post in the Signals group a lot? Well, we've had 5 signals since the beginning of the month. Let's put it that way. Depends on what you want, man. Depends on what you want. Depends on what you want. What do you want from me, man? What do you want from me? How y'all doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day. We got some bomb-ass jobs news, man. We got some bomb-ass jobs news. Looking for this thing to rip to the upside. Russell breaking out. Looking okay here. The Dixie cooling off, which is okay with me. Okay, NASDAQ having an absolute tear to the upside. Trying to break this structure above us here. That's going to be a little bit harder. ES pushing up as well. Okay, we're going to have market open in about 20 minutes. We'll see how the price reacts. We're looking for this long to continue onwards and upwards. We'll see if we get it. We're being cheap right now. We'll see if we can get a little push up. You know, we're not trying to get overly bullish or overly bearish. We just want to trade what's in front of us. We're looking for the retest of the highs. Probably look, if we do push from here, 62,000 would be an area of interest to take profits. We're currently in a little bit of a long. We'll see if this can continue to push. Not a full position size. Position size does matter. Right now, this is a little bit more risky, so I've de-risked a little bit. Just don't want to get overly exposed to this FUD here, okay? We are at a very, we probably would like to be going short here, but with the news, we'll see if we can continue to push onwards and upwards here. Let's say hello to the chat. You guys seem to really like your jobs. And those who don't have a job, I pray for you that you do find work. The worst thing is having to learn trading when you don't have a job to pay bills. That is the worst idea you can have. Let's learn how to trade when I don't have money. That is not risque. Okay, risque. Do not be doing that. Please do not be doing that. Open up a paper trading account. Get your ass to McDonald's and learn how to trade. Okay? Get your ass to McDonald's. Say, hey there. Smiles are free. Okay, smiles are free. Get a job where you can trade all day even. Go and work security or something like that. Okay? Go and work security. What are those jobs where you just sit there and do nothing? Work security in Canada. They don't do shit. Okay? Go and learn a skill, a trade, right? I was a carpenter day trading all day. I'd be framing out a roof and then checking the charts, man. I mean, you can still develop skills while developing your trading skills, right? I worked construction for my first year and a half of trading. Okay, before I went full time with back-tested results, with evidence that I could do this full time. Okay, I didn't just jump in and say, "Hey, I'm a full-time trader." No. You got to invest in yourself. You got to invest in yourself. Good morning, Billy. Billy's laughing. Billy, how's everything down south there? I hope you guys are doing well. My prayers are with you guys and everybody who's struggling down there with the power and the floods and everything like that. I hope you guys are well. God bless you. Gio and I are going to go to a hockey game, supposedly. He said he's paying because hockey games are expensive in Toronto. Now, we'll figure it out, man. We're going to get to a hockey game and maybe we'll live stream it or something. Oh, man, that would be fun, wouldn't it? I am in a small long EZC. I am long from the tip here. Half a position size. Okay, position size does matter. We're just chilling though. We'll see if it does continue to push. Okay, might take a little bit off, but so far we're just chilling, waiting for market open. A little bit risky here to be in a position. However, we are hoping the jobs data will continue to push. Remember, we were patient, though. We're waiting for a back test of these highs, okay? That's the thing, is we didn't just press buy in here. We had a plan. We're managing risk below us here, and we're looking for continuation here. That is it, okay? Very, very simple, okay? There's a difference between pressing buy because we like the numbers on the screen on jobs, which are probably fake anyways. Oh, man. Okay. 62.71. So we'll take, if we get up to, let's say 950, we'll take some off. We'll take off a little bit here at 950 if we get up to these highs here. So that will be my first kind of 50% take profit. Okay. We'll see if we do push here. It is looking a little bit stale, so we'll see how that continues to go. K Diggity, good morning. In real life stream on X. Yeah, man. I gotta go, boys. Have a good day. Mad love, Gio. God bless, bro. Hope you're having a wonderful day. He doesn't manifest, he prays. I mean, prayers where it's at, man. Prayers where it's at, man. God bless you, bro. Hope you're all doing well. We have a beautiful group of people here. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Everybody in here. If I haven't said hello to you, make sure you say hello. Even to all you lurkers in the background. I see you. Wayne C., did you get your sandwich, bro? I love my job, plumber, hanging radiators, and I listen. That's it. So, you know what the 3 rules of a plumber are? Number 1, shit flows down. Okay, downhill. Shit flows downhill. Number 2, this is what you learn in the trades, okay? Number 2, paydays on Thursday. And number 3, as a plumber, what's the number 3? Don't bite your nails. That's disgusting. Don't bite your nails, man. Some old plumber told me that one day, and I was like, "You are disgusting, man. You are filth. Don't bite your nails." My God. Oh, good to see you, Chad Baker. Good to see you, Guile. Lurking and working, baby. Lurking and working. Don't bite your nails. All right. Carpentry is where Alex gets his legendary patience from. Absolutely. Absolutely. See, as a carpenter, you got to deal with everybody. You got to deal with all the trades. You got to deal with the sparkies, the plumbers. You got to deal with the HVAC. So you literally are the backbone, right? You're the backbone. That's what they teach you, is that I got to frame in this wall and accommodate everything for the plumbers, the electricians, the roofers. Okay? Your job is to set up everyone else. So as a carpenter, you got to be very patient, because electricians, they leave shit everywhere. They do not clean up after themselves. Plumbers are typically good, but you got to watch out. Sometimes they're drunk and they burn down the house with their soldering, so you got to be careful with that too. Got to make sure they're using their shields. And then I mean, you get the roofers in, you get the Dave Digitals in, and I mean, you kind of got to just let them do their thing, because when you tell them to put a harness on, sometimes they'll freak out and yell at you. So it's a whole different world in construction. I wouldn't have had it any other way. It teaches you a lot of respect for yourself and your body and your fellow man, and you work hard together and you try to solve not so complex, but sometimes complex problems, building houses, throwing up massive condo buildings. I threw up like 70-story condo buildings. If you look at Toronto, I've worked on probably 90% of the high rise in Toronto. So, you know, it is a hard job, and I respect construction workers a lot, but it teaches you a lot of morals too. It teaches you to look someone in the eye, shake their hand firmly, say good morning, be kind, talk a lot of smack, but get the job done. I think it's an amazing industry, and it is full of degeneracy and rudeness and a lot of questionable jokes. But at the end of the day, you got to have some humor to get through work that is as hard as construction. Okay? That's the thing. Okay, market is 13 minutes. Okay, so it is going against us a little bit here, trying to go against us. We'll see if we do get that push up. It doesn't look so favorable right now. Okay, it doesn't look so favorable right now. It is flagging. Dixie, a little flat right now. Russell still wanting to expand outwards. That's looking okay. NASDAQ, continues to push. Let's get on a 15-minute here on NASDAQ. Nice push here from NASDAQ. Okay, so some hopium after the jobs reports, non-farm, all that good stuff. Currently in a small, long position right now. We'll see. We could possibly add to this. However, I'm not convinced on adding to this just yet. Okay, my stop is just below 61,500 right now, and looking for that to continue to push. Okay, we got market open in 12 minutes. We'll see how the SPY opens up this morning after those job reports. Remember, Powell said that jobs is going to be more important than GDP. So we are aware of that. Are we going to break out from this downtrend on SPY? That would be quite nice. Okay, we'll see how it works, okay? For now, we have to wait. Maybe this was a bit rushed. That's okay. That's why we manage our risk. I know all you guys FOMO'd in before me anyways. All you guys went long like here. Some of you are long in here. I guarantee it. There's people who are long right up here. What's the bet? I guarantee you there's people long right here. What's your trade setup look like? This? It's a swing trade, Alex O Crypto, I swear. It's a swing trade. It's a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio in the opposite direction. I swear to people trade like this. People trade like this, have the hopium that it's going to go in the right direction. Yeah, we should have waited a little bit longer. For this area in here. That's okay. It's half a position size. Therefore, I can have a little bit more leniency with the stop loss here. Okay, so I can come down to here with my stop loss because of the position size, right? Your risk to reward, right? So for a half a position size, it's typically 150 for me, right? To make 300 or to make, 450. And then typically a full is a 900 to 300. Okay, 900 to 300 is typically what I do. Depends on if it's an A plus setup. If it's an A plus setup, I'll go 500 to 1500. Okay, but you gotta have your idea here. Okay, so looking for this, I'm gonna put my stop loss just under VWAP, I think here. 61, 275. See, I was saying no FOMO, and then you guys got me all excited. I'm gonna blame you guys now. No, I would never do that. I would never do that. Always be accountable to yourself in trading. The only way you're ever going to get better is by being honest with yourself. Honest self-appraisal is not easy. Okay? Honest self-appraisal is not easy. What is A plus? So an A plus setup is just the amount of confluence that's within that area. I've seen the trade a million times. I know that there's like a golden pocket there, an order block, a point of control. Like there's multiple things stacking up in that area that I've seen before that allow me to they took our gerbs. Mr. FG, my guy, bro. Thanks for coming through, bro. Mad love to you. Hope you're doing well. Good morning to flopping and groping, guys. I mean, the Nick Cipher's in the chat, man. Pay homage to the man who does more push-ups. You know, Flop and Groper, he may do push-ups, but do you know, Chuck Norris doesn't do push-ups. He does world downs. I always love that joke. World downs. My man Nick. The Market Cipher family, guys. The Market Cipher family. These guys put me on. I mean, I love these guys. These guys are family. The Market Cipher family. You guys know who sponsors the channel here. You guys know who sponsors us. Our beautiful friends over at Market Cipher, Nick and Face. We love you. Thank you guys for believing in us. We just show up, man. We continue to show up. Trust that you guys believe in us. I mean, the VWAP. You want to learn about VWAP, my friends? You want to learn about VWAP? Do some damn push-ups. Do the push-ups and get into Nick's Discord. You're gonna learn about VWAP. I mean, he even spotlighted me. Look at this guy. What a nice man. I don't know. I
with
was
his
just
R
on
gang
here.
stuff,
That's when I was
he's
orange
the
and
Alexo
purple.
Crypto,
Orange and purple. We've gone straight purple.
I know
now.
you got big ideas.
Straight purple. My man. I'm gonna do push-ups forever, cuz I love y'all. Love you too, bro. Free healthcare with Market Cipher. That's it, man. Right? Don't be a pencil neck. Do some fucking push-ups, man. I got the bench right beside my desk. I got the adjustable weights. I be working out. So I mean, I ain't the push-up type. Okay, push-ups. I have one bad shoulder that the push-ups don't like. So too much baseball, man. Too much baseball. But thank you for dropping through, man. Hope you're doing well. We'll talk soon. Set something up. Hopefully, maybe we do a collab soon. Who knows? 27. What did I say? 27. Let me look here. 275. Yeah, this is getting ugly, man. It's getting ugly. Can we bounce from here? A little bit too much hopium, Alexo Crypto. Too much hopium this morning. If we bounce up here and come back, I'll close this. Readjust. If we bounce up, we'll come back and close it. We bounce up here, come back here. Yeah. And then watch, it goes to the moon. That's typically what happens. That's typically what happens. We got support here. VWAP coming in. Alex, you told us to go long. I didn't tell you to do anything. This ain't financial boss. I'm just I mean, we have an otter as a mascot. Like, did you not learn from that? I mean, you trust in a guy who's Satoshi Automoto? Like, you think I'm Satoshi Automoto or something? People doing, yeah, your shoulder is jacked. Yeah, baseball shoulder, man. Rotator cuffs ruined, man. Rotator cuffs ruined. That's why I play golf now, because it's down. I used to have a nice arm, and then my arm was, yeah, my rotator cuffs. Done. Adjustable weights or shake weight. I got the adjustable ones, you know, with the clicks on the side. You pull it up. You got the 55ers for the chest press. Then you go to the like 30s for the curls for the girls, right? And then you do the tries for the guys. Oh, yeah, boy. Let's go. I used to be a gym rat, like Mrs. Otter and I. So my wife used to be a coach at Orange Theory Fitness. Okay, so my wife was a fitness instructor, and damn, when I saw her teaching in those leggings, I couldn't resist. And the rest is history. Yeah, you can long, Dave. You can long wherever you want, bro. You've waited, so that's good. I respect your patience, bro. But yeah, if I was looking to long, could be here. Right now, this doesn't look healthy. It looks like we want to cool off. So we got a little bit of a trigger wave coming in here on Market Cipher. Let's go over to our 12-minute. Stop drawing and start clicking. Yeah, overextended here. Big old spiker. Big old spike wave here. No divergence. Okay, no divergence. Market open in minute and a half. Okay, 24. Overextended. Money flows coming in. That's quite nice, actually. 30-minute looks a little overextended. We do have a confirmed green dot on the 30-minute. That could, or on the hour, sorry, on the hour. 45, 90. 90 bouncing off the zero line. Looks overextended. I don't think this was a good, smart trade. This is mostly based off of the news, which is kind of irresponsible of me, to be honest. We'll see how the news plays out. Maybe that's why we're in a half a position too. Like, I mean, sometimes you got to take risks, right? Sometimes you got to take risks. I'm not justifying my actions. I'm just saying. Amy, good morning. Good morning, Crypto Billy. I'll let her know you said hello. We had a little bit of a rough night. Our newborn was he was practicing his vocals. Let's put it that way. Our newborn was singing with his diaphragm. Yeah, he had a rough night. Newborns, gassy. Talk about gassy and not knowing how to expel. Imagine not knowing how to burp or fart. Like that sounds like the worst feeling ever. Just hold. When you get that chest pain of where you really need to burp, right? Having a newborn, I mean, you feel for them. You're like, I know it sucks. I'll rock you. I love you. You're too cute. even if you're yelling at me and screaming in my face and crying, I love you, right? Like it's so perfect that you can't be upset with it. It doesn't know. But yeah, it's in pain and you feel horrible, but you just do your best to try to comfort it, burp it, walk it around. It really likes the exercise balls, like the bouncing on the exercise balls, and you try your best to comfort it, burp it, and help it get through those moments, And sometimes those moments happen at 3 a.m., at 4 a.m., at 5 a.m., right? And broken sleep sucks, but that's just part of the game. At the end of the day, it's the most beautiful thing, God has ever put on this earth, right? That's you, that's me, that's everybody here, right? We're all very blessed to have, this experience of life, right? And once you see that, like once I saw, my son coming into this world, I mean, it's a miracle, baby. It's a miracle, right? So, I mean, you're just grateful, right? You're just grateful. So, looks like we're gonna probably revisit VWAP now. Okay, we're still stop loss below VWAP. We'll see if it holds up. It's not looking too good for us here this morning on a Friday. We did get bullish news though, so hopefully up and to the right is coming. Just a little bit underwater, my friends. A little bit underwater. We'll see if we can get that hopium push up here. A little bit, maybe a little bit rushed here, just because of the news and the hopium. Oh, look. Are we getting a miracle pump? I believe in a miracle. I believe. Look at the gap up on the S&P, baby. Let's go. Push it. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. No, you're rejecting me. Are you rejecting me? All I need is you. Boom, 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 boom. I think it needs a beatbox. Boom. Boom, 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 push Bitcoin. Big gap up on the S&P here. Let's see if it can. We don't want it to fill. We want it to just keep ripping. We want it to keep on ripping. The Dixie, we need it to cool down, okay? Russell, continue to push. We'll see if we get it. NASDAQ, massive move on the NASDAQ, okay? All I need is a miracle. Let's go. Push. Push. It's time. The time is now, Bitcoin. The time is now. Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, man. Oh, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. We don't normally trade on hopium, okay? This is a different circumstance today. Maybe it's because we're a little bit sleep deprived. Oh, we're getting a push up here. Come on, Bitcoin, push. Push, baby. I don't see it, Alex. This is Al Jr. That's pretty good. What happened to Arnold? Who's your daddy and what does he do? We used to do the Arnold sort. We kept getting copyright infringements. That's why we don't do the Friday party stream anymore. We used to do a Friday party stream. But Arnold turned his back on us. You need to climb stairs so that it burps. Okay, so climb stairs. What do you mean by climb stairs? Like go up and down the stairs? What? I don't mind doing stair climbs. I like stair climbers. Oh, we're getting a push, baby. The hopium is back. We're back. We're above break even. Should we take it off? Put a 1 in the chat if we're taking it off. 1 in the chat. Nobody wants me to. Do we stay long? Or do we readjust? Do we stay long or do we readjust? What do you guys think? I think we readjust. I've closed that trade now. We made probably break even with the fees. Yeah. I'd say break even with the fees. Okay, so this trade is obsolete now. No, watch, it's going to pump, and that's okay. It's going to pump. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Kool-Aid man. Okay. Probably going to pump now. That's okay. So we've taken the risk off. Readjust, break even. See, sometimes, that is lucky. That is lucky. This is not suggested, right? So you take it off, you replan, okay? That was a fluke. Okay, even if this goes up to the moon. The idea was break out, retest previous highs, and continue. Okay? We should have waited probably to this low here. Okay, that would have been ideal. Now you got a trigger wave. Now we're pushing up and going to the moon. Okay? Now you feel the FOMO, but that's okay. We've de-risked, right? Managing risk is what it's all about. Managing risk, okay? So go up and down and it burps. Hold it straight with legs curved. Okay. I will try that. Thank you so much, Orhun Kabakli. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We got 160 people in here. Amazing for a Friday, baby. 113 likes. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. So we're out of that trade, looking to reset here. Okay, so how do we reset? We understand that we've had the jobs news. Okay, the Dixie kind of flat. Russell trying to expand, not doing so. Okay, stalling out here on the NASDAQ, and we've gapped up on the SPY, which should return back down. Okay, we do know there's liquidity below us. Okay, so a possible short opportunity. Look, de-risking was smart there. Now we can look for a possible breakdown over here. Okay, now that we've swung the highs, if we're looking at this on a higher term time frame, you can simply see that we have bearish diverted here. So we have higher high, lower load. Okay, so this is typically something that breaks down, especially when there's liquidity below us. Even though we've had the bullish jobs news, I'm not totally convinced that we are going to rip from here. If we do rip from here, that's great. We still can look for retests and continuations throughout. Okay, if you are new here, thank you for being here. We do have a free Discord and a premium Discord. Okay, the free one, we're very active in there as well. Okay, constantly helping you. That's the bonus of being with a small channel. I mean, we're more attentive to your needs, and you get all the setups, all the ideas, all the, 3 traders in here helping you guys. Kyle as well, Brewberry as well, helping you guys navigate the charts. Amazing, amazing people. Great group of people. If you want to come over and hang out with us, we'd love to have you. This was yesterday, up and down. Alex O'Crypto, Tony Soprano, taking the trades. Mad love to you, bro. A whole bunch of great people in here. So we would love to have you come and hang out with us. Join us over there in the Discord. If not, subscribe over here. We go live Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, or 8:15 to 10 p.m. or 10 a.m. That would be funny. 10 p.m. all friggin' day. And then lots and lots of fun. Okay, we do have a $200 giveaway in our premium section today at 12 o'clock, 12:30-ish. So we'll see how that works out. This is looking good here for Bitcoin. Can it continue to push? So make sure if you are a member, come over and hang out at 12 in the Discord. We'll be doing that giveaway for you guys, 200 USDT. Just trying to keep you guys happy and satisfied, even though we've been giving you, we've already had like 5 trade setups for October, and it's only the 4th. So, I mean, if you're not making $1 a day with the trade setups, I don't know what you're doing. Probably not managing your risk or using rules, any of that stuff. But we're here to help. We're here to help. So thank you guys for being here. Subscribe to the channel, please. It helps. And we want to get to that 4,000 subscriber goal, man. That would be awesome. That would be awesome. Slowly but surely. Look at Bitcoin. Laughing in my face now. Laughing in my face. Thanks, Bitcoin. Thank you. Now, Dave could have longed here. Would have been up a nice juicy 0.5% here. Sheesh. Sheesh. Not convinced. I'm not convinced. I would rather short here, to be honest. We're at a premium section, right? Discounts below us, right? If we want balance in the force, this is a shorting opportunity, in my opinion. Not taking it right now, but I would like to see confirmation and trend change, okay? The idea here, too, is that we made a higher high overnight as well, okay? So this has changed. So now I'm looking for a higher low to where I can take a bigger swing position, okay? So can we get rejected from here? Quite possibly. Not something I'm looking to get into just yet, okay? Just a little bit of patience. Yeah. Overly extended here. Overly extended. 62,000 possible. Let's see what we got here. 786. Okay. Yeah, no trade. No trade. This is a no trade zone. Right? Because we've accumulated here. We want to see this push up. So what does that mean? In a Model 1, you typically chop sideways here before you get a breakout. Okay? It is Friday too. We're going into the weekend, so we'll see. We'll see how this works out. We'll see how this works out. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. The poll today was very much rate your job. 5 out of 10, 6 to 8 out of 10, or 10 out of 10. And some of you have no job. Well, see, I enjoyed my job as a carpenter back in the day, but it didn't fit to what I wanted within life, right? I'd rather make less money and be home with my family. That's why I adjusted to doing this. And yes, it started out being less money. Now it's different. Now my trading has gone full time, and I mean, you make good money. You make like $60 an hour as a carpenter. So as a journeyman carpenter, easy $140,000 a year. However, it's long, it's tiring, it's taxing on the body. There's like in construction, there is like a monarchy where it's like, if you're old, you get priority over the young guns, right? And which makes sense. Absolutely. They've paid their time. They've broken their backs, but it's very man eat man kind of world, right? And to get up to those higher ranks, you got to be, you got to be a little bit rude and mean and questionable and be a foreman and then a site supervisor. It's a nasty, nasty world at times. However, there's honor in every job, okay? That's the thing. It's like you need to treat your janitor like you treat the CEO, right? Myro pumping, great. Bullish on parade. What's going on, Canada? What's going on to all my Canadians out there? Curl K, good to see you. Massey, good to see you as well. You should have stayed, man. Yeah, absolutely. And everything's 50-50 hindsight, man. Everything's 50-50. Okay? Everything is 50-50. B Team Crypto, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. Juan Marine. I got liquidated yesterday due to impatience. Just stay cool. So getting liquidated should never be on the table. You should have an invalidation point to where you are wrong. Okay, just like this trade here, right? Right, we got long here. Where am I wrong? I'm wrong below the low here. And my leverage, my position size should match to my risk tolerance. So if I'm risking 1 to 4% of my account, that should be my risk tolerance, okay? Right there. That's what you got to figure out before this should be your lunch money. So I'm borrowing whatever, $100 to make $300, okay? Okay? You need to do this before you get into any trade, and you need to understand first, where am I wrong? That's how you need to trade. You can't just willy-nilly get into a trade and be like, okay, I'm wrong if it goes all the way against me. No, you're wrong here. You're wrong here, right? Maybe you're in a swing. Maybe you're in a big swing trade. You're like, okay, I am wrong down here, but your leverage matches that. There's no way you can have 100x leverage, 75x leverage, and have your risk to reward down in this area. Okay, you're probably at like a 10x leverage maximum where you're looking to take this all the way up to here. Okay, very different. You need to have invalidation points before you do anything. Okay. And my suggestion is always to be as cheap as bloody possible. If your risk is 100 and you can do 50, then do 50, right? Do 50. Make it a 5-to-1, right? Be super cheap, right? Even yesterday when we got long on the live yesterday right here, right? I was so cheap on this long, right? I had to be because it was pushing down. We got this long yesterday. That was amazing. We caught the bottom yesterday. That was so fun. By the way, all that you were here with catching the bottom, that was lots of fun yesterday. Thank you guys for being here yesterday. That was so much fun. That was so much fun. But super cheap, man. Super cheap. Super cheap. And like stop loss was entered as I marketed in, okay? As I marketed in. Okay? Right away. Right away. So please don't put yourself in a liquidation situation. If only I got out here. If only I did that. If only I did that. Right? Don't use 100% of your balance. Absolutely. Koala Gamer, what's going on? Gang. Good to see you. Good to see you. Luke Zaldana, I was a landscaping foreman. I had 40 employees underneath me. Landscaping was great. Having to fire people that I knew were just trying to feed their families was not the best feeling. Yeah, absolutely. I worked landscaping and on a golf course for like 3 years when I was like 18, 19, and 20. Not easy work, man. Have you ever done interlock? Oh, man. I spent a whole summer on one driveway. A whole summer. This driveway was like, I think 3 kilometers long. Interlocking every single day, 10-hour days. Whoo-wee, you wanna slug it out? Do some interlocking. My God. My God. That's when you want to be on cuts. I'm telling you, you want to be on cuts with the quick cut saw. Just oh man. So look at this. Double top here. A little bit of indecision, really. Indecision. S&P's flat here, looking to push up. Russell's flat as well. NASDAQ still flat. Okay, no real direction here on NASDAQ. Look at this. Sweeping the lows, pushing back up. Right? Bitcoin, double top. Dixie needs to cool down. So a very, very interesting morning, to say the least, where we've gotten the jobs. Could have stayed in. I don't know, man. Like I could have taken profit up here. Yeah, sure. This can still continue to rip to the upside, but not something I'm interested in right now. Okay, not something I'm interested in. The trap is set, right? So we understand where we could have possibly looked to get long. Would have been down where Dave Digital said, right? That would have been the idea there. Now, this to me, right? This accumulation here, we can see money's coming back in. Okay, this is on the hourly, right? We have this accumulation here. We have the higher high right here, mitigating this high here, right? So now we have came above here. So this is creating lower lows, lower highs, right? Now we have made a higher high. So what are we looking for? Like I just said, we're looking for price to return into this area. If we get it, come down in here and then continue out. Okay. Just like if we want to see this on a higher term time frame, what does this look like? This looks like exactly what we've been in from here. We got our lower low, our higher high, right? Lower low, lower low. Oh, look, we broke structure here, continuation. Look, we've mitigated the high here. Okay, now we are looking for this. This is the high term time frame of what we're looking at right now on the short term time frames. Okay, so we're looking for this lower low for continuation out. Right? If I go into here and our 1 hour, right? We're looking for this lower low and continuation out. Same thing on a smaller term time frame. Okay, can you see it? Put a 1 in the chat if you see it. Very, very simple. But understanding what price typically wants to do and how we get out of a bottoming structure. Okay, that's going to be the lesson for today. I think if we can all take something away from this stream is that fractal, right? All time is fractal. Whether it's the 1 hour, whether it's the 4 hour, whether it's the daily, it's all fractal. That's why you have swing trading. That's why you have scalping, right? It's all the same thing. Price can do 3 things: up or down over time. That's what I always say. You have up or down and over time. That's all you got to deal with. Time is the hard part. Okay, time is the hard part. Always. Right? You guys get it. I know you guys get it. You guys see it. You guys get it. Amy Lives Crypto. It's been a while. What's going on, girl? Good to see you. My God. God bless you. Hope you're doing well. Amy Lives Crypto. Amazing channel. Go check it out. What's going on? Hope you're doing well. Good morning to you. Go and say hello to Amy Lives Crypto. Go and subscribe to her channel. New channel. Amazing. Let's slowly try and get you to 1,000 subscribers. Amazing, amazing. She puts out quality work. So we always want to support people who are working hard to try and help themselves. So go and check out Amy Lives Crypto. Thank you for being here, Amy, and my wife's name's Amy, so we love Amy's here. Hope you're doing well, Amy. Mad love to you. Hope all is well. I'm going to sign off here. If you are new here, come over and hang out at the Discord. I'm sure we'll have some more trade setups, some more ideas by noon. We are giving away 200 USDT. Okay, come over and hang out. Even if you just want to come in the free section, we would love to have you. Come and chill with the Otter gang. It's always a fun day with us here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Good jobs news. Unemployment's down. People are getting lots of jobs, supposedly. So will we see that continuation out of here? Hopefully for our bags, hopefully for Bitcoin. Long-term, October, could we see it? We'll hope for the best. Mad love to you guys. Happy Friday. God bless. Subscribe if you are new. And we'll see you guys back here on Monday. Much love. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto, undercover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.